Okay. Well, LGBT History Month Cymru is just really important because LGBT history is still largely a hidden history. There isn't much known about it. It's still kind of quite hidden underground. Being a part of LGBT Excellence Centre, Welsh Pride steerage group, I really kind of understood that there's still so much to discover. So that's why we think it's important to support it, because being the Cardiff Story Museum, a museum all about Cardiff's history, we need to do much more to reveal the LGBT community's history in Cardiff. So we're doing an event at the Cardiff Story on the 28th of February. It's 7 to 9 o'clock in our learning suite, and it's called Talking Heads, and it's going to be 5 volunteers are going to tell us a 10-minute true story about their lives. The only thing we're asking is it's got to be true, and it's got to be in the spirit of celebrating LGBT History Month Cymru. So hopefully we'll have just a really good evening of storytelling, and we'll sort of do more to sort of uncover that hidden history of LGBT history.
It's lovely. Thank you very much for your time, Lucie.
All right, cheers.